Hey everyone, thanks for stopping back by. Hey, we just happened to go to Frankenmuth and I found there's a brand new, to me, barbecue joint up there that I didn't know about. I guess it's about 4 years old. Frankenmuth's a great little German place in Saginaw, Michigan.
So what do you mean? That this is considered the kids' suite and that's complimentary stuff?
Whatever this is, that's cool.
Oh wow.
What's that? Oh, that's nice. You know what I like the best? This and the sidewalk chalk.
What's the ball do?
I don't know, it's a game. Oh, that's cute.
That is cool.
And I actually,
Look at the side.
I like the bag. Very cute.
Sure, Emily.
Hi, Goliath.
Yeah, if you ever get a chance to come up here, you should take advantage of it. They've got carriage rides, you know, by horse and buggy, 15 minutes up to an hour, or even an hour and a half if you want.
Betty, good girl?
Oh, yeah.
Betty, a good girl? Oh, look at that Betty. Oh, she's a good girl. Yes, she is.
Are you spoiled?
She's a good girl.
Yeah, so Frankenmuth was founded by German immigrants, Lutheran immigrants, in 1845-ish.
The Fisher Hotel is now the Bavarian Inn restaurant.
Oh, okay.
And all of the green trim is copper. We have a lot of copper trimmed homes up here. And in the back is the original carriage house, and it still has the rounded driveways because it's much easier to go forward than backward in a horse.
Yep. No kidding. So where we eat, the Zenders, you said?
Bavarian
Oh,
Inn.
Bavarian Inn. That used to be a hotel.
Uh-huh.
No kidding. The Fisher Hotel. No kidding.
Was it a motel? A hotel.
A hotel.
Hotel.
Yeah, so it's known for its flowers, really, but just scenically. But it's known for its chicken, famous chicken at Zender's and at the Bavarian Inn.
Would you like it, sauce?
It's just really famous for that. There's shopping here. There's water parks for the kids. There's water parks inside the hotels you stay at. It's just a beautiful, beautiful place to visit and spend some time. Gotta spend at least 2 days here, which we did. Now on to the meat of this video, pun intended. Slow Bones.
Slow Bones Barbecue.
Is anyone using the straw?
And I actually looked this guy up. He's the real deal. Pitmaster.
It's good. We'll try it out.
We come to Frankenmuth at least twice a year, sometimes more. So this place is in here for 4.5 years and I never knew about it. Which is a shame. There was no band playing at this time.
They have a bar over here.
Yeah, this is a hasty recording here. This review wasn't planned at all. We didn't know this place existed. It's about 1:30
Our time here. Late lunch. Let's try it out. This is cornbread, but it's not Southern style. It's sweet, so I'm not eating it. But
They have strawberry cornbread.
They do.
You might like that. Joe.
so you guys gonna try it?
Oh yeah, I already did. It's amazing.
All right.
Butter.
I won't hold it against the place because I don't happen to like sweet cornbread.
Just an opinion.
So it looks like it's good.
A little bit of salt.
It needs salt.
Yeah. Okay, let's try the food. My battery's running out. Wow.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
What is it?
Burnt ends. Yeah, it's really hot.
Too hot? It's good.
But it needs some sauce. But it's really good.
How's the pulled pork?
It's good. You can taste it.
Let's try the fry.
How's it going?
This is so
Crunchy fry. Burnt ends. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Pretty quick. That's a good point, Jesse.
My pulled pork is not hot.
Oh my god. I just got that bite.
Yeah. Wow, that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to droop over your finger like that. Brisket. I mean, brisket.
Yeah, you know.
It's not even moving.
Wow.
That's the only reason why I was
This is super tender.
Did you burn yourself, honey?
This is pretty impressive. Smoky. Kind of falls apart.
I like
Wow. Very good. Very good.
Sure, this was by no means a comprehensive review. For instance, we didn't have dessert, and we only had a couple things on the menu because this is the first time we came here. But I can vouch for the burnt ends and the brisket. My wife said the pulled pork tasted good, but it was for some reason not hot enough, and we don't know what happened there. But you owe it to yourselves if you're into barbecue, and if you're watching this video, you're probably in the YouTube grilling and barbecuing niche. So this is probably right up your alley. If you ever happen to get to Michigan, you owe it to yourself to try Slow Bones and Frankenmuth. And our rule is you can't leave Frankenmuth without one last water tube ride.
No, this says auf Wiedersehen.
What's it say?
Bye.